grabbing some bagels before we board.
Want a pickle? Want a wiener? Because I know you like that size.
Of course, the Zimbabwean gets her bag checked. Just got out of the plane. We're in Korea now, but they fucking cracked my suitcase. So we're finally outside and it's really cold. We're just gonna catch the shuttle bus to our hotel. What do you guys see?
What? I know I see so.
Hey, it's already damaged. Made it to the hotel. She can get the door open. Nope. Okay.
Come on in.
Oh, it's warm in here. Turn the light on. Oh, you have to put the key card in here. Pop. Ooh, it's gonna be an ocean view. Got some tea. Nice TV. Looks so nice. And we're gonna go look at the ocean view. Which you can't really see right now. Lovely view. We'll have a look again in the morning. How was it? Hey guys. So we just landed in Japan and did shit in the airport for an hour. Walking to our grandparents' place now. And yeah, I'm just gonna get some food and I'll talk to you guys later. we're just in the elevator to my grandparents on the 10th floor. Okay, practice.
Konbanwa. Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite. Ashley desu. Konbanwa.
7 out of 10.
Say it again.
Konbanwa.
Konbanwa.
Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite. Ashley desu.
Tabete miru.
It's hard to see what it tastes like. No. Thank you. What does it taste like?
How was your first natto?
Good.
Do you actually like it?
I do.
Just finished dinner. And we're gonna go to the convenience store.
Ice cream time.
Ice cream, ice cream.
Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
We are now at Lawson, choosing our ice cream. So this is our little haul. Got the kelp onigiri, the probiotic Yakult, Hikimi Daifuku, pudding, ice cream, and some gum. Here's my one. Just woke up. Have a look outside. It's good weather. Today we're gonna go shopping around Sannomiya, Kobe. Just shopping and we stumbled at Gachaland, and where she's trying to find some Demon Slayer ones.
Okay, anyway, I'm happy with it. Ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Keep going. Keep going.
Oh, it's popped
How's
up.
it?
Yeah. Ooh.
Which one did you get? You got the Love Hashira, which we'll see in the next season.
Season 3.
Yeah.
How cute. Yeah, just what I need.
My back hurts so much. I feel it.
Because you're an old man.
So I'm just sitting here alone because she left to go to the bathroom. We did so much shopping today. All that. Yeah. We're just gonna head back and just check into the Snoopy Hotel. And yeah, we're gonna go barbecue for dinner. Ouch! The elevator hit me, but we're in the Peanuts Hotel. And we're in room 55 over here. So, this is our room key. It's open. Can you see it? Sorry. This is our room. We got these sailor deck one, and that is our room. Let's see if we can see outside. Just building views. So we just finished dinner with my uncle's family, and we're walking back to the Snoopy Hotel. Tomorrow we're going to a place called Awaji Jima, where there's the zipline through Godzilla and the flower blooming as well. Yeah, so we'll drive there, so we'll see you then. So we made it to Godzilla, right over there. We're gonna zip line from up there.
言ってもうちょっと略してちゃんとどうして
We're just out here for drinks and billiard. It's a nice little.
Welcome to Japan. Back to home Japan.
We're fucking tipsy as fuck. We just had darts night and now we're just having ramen. We just got home from drinking and at 12 a.m. ramen and she's fucked.
I am fucked up. Because of that Chinese tequila fucked me up.
She had a 45% Chinese tequila. I didn't though, so I'm okay. But I'm pretty still dizzy, but yeah. Tomorrow we're going to Osaka in the morning and we're gonna tour around, so we'll see how we feel in the morning. Peace. I'm trying to get ready for tomorrow to go to Osaka. And this bitch is probably in the bathroom throwing up. I can hear her puking. I can hear you puking. she